The secret beneath the surface. In the quiet town of Ravenswood, nestled between a vast forest and a shimmering lake, life seemed simple and predictable. The townsfolk went about their daily routines, oblivious to the mystery lurking beneath their feet. The heart of the town was its lake, Mirror's Edge, named for its glass like surface that reflected the sky so perfectly it was said to be enchanted. For as long as anyone could remember, there had been whispers about the lake, rumors of strange lights beneath the water, of people hearing whispers when they stood too close, and of an ancient secret hidden in its depths. Most dismissed the stories as follow. But for 16 years old Clara, the lake was a puzzle beginning to be solved. The discovery by Clara. Clara was an amateur diver and loved spending her free time exploring the lake. One sunny afternoon, while diving near the center of the lake, her fingers brushed against something metallic buried in the slit. Curious, she cleared the muck and uncovered a rusted hatch with a strange symbol attached into its surface, a circle surrounded by interlocking triangles. Her heart raced. This wasn't just some old piece of junk, it was something important. She tried to open the hatch, but it couldn't budge. Determined to uncover its secrets, she surfaced and swam back to shore. Her mind was puzzling with possibilities. The key to the hatch? Clara couldn't stop thinking about the hatch. She spent hours in the library poring over old maps and town records. One evening, she stumbled upon an old journal written by the town's founder, Elias Rowanwood. The journal described a vault of eternity, a hidden chamber built to protect something powerful and dangerous. She also searched it on her phone. It mentioned a key, a medallion divided into three pieces, each entrusted to a different family in the town. Now Clara knew she had to find those pieces. The first piece, the baker's legacy. The first clue led her to the town's bakery, owned by the Thorne family for generations. Clara befriended Mr. Thorne, an elderly man with love for storytelling. One evening, as they talked about the town's history, he showed her an old family heirloom, a pendant with a triangular fragment. Claire recognized it immediately. Mr. Throne, this might be a part of something bigger. Can I borrow it, please? Mr. Throne hesitated, but agreed, intrigued by her determination. The second piece, the Forgotten Chapel. The second piece was said to be hidden in the ruins of an old chapel on the outskirts of the forest. Clara ventured there at dawn, her flashlight cutting through the morning mist. When she went in, there the inside slumbering building, she found her hidden compartment beneath the altar. Inside was another triangle fragment, identical to the first one. The final piece, the mayor's secret. The last piece, according to the journal, was kept by the Rowanwoods family, descendants of the town's founder. Clara approached Mayor Ravenswood, the current head of the family. At first, he dismissed her claims, but when she showed him the two fragments, his demeanor changed. My family has guarded their secret for generations, he said, handing her the final piece. I hope you know what you are doing. Time to unlock the hatch. With the medallion complete, Clara returned to the lake under the cover of darkness. She dove to the hatch, inserted the medallion into the slot, and twisted it. The hatch ground and opened, revealing a narrow tunnel leading downwards. Clara surfaced to catch her breath, then descended into the tunnel. At the end, she found a massive underground chamber filled with glowing crystals. In the center was a pedestal holding an ornate box. Finally, the secret revealed. Inside the box was a book and a small vial of shimmering liquid. The book explained that the vault of eternity was created to safeguard the elixir of continuance, a substance capable of healing any wound and extending life indefinitely. The founders of Ravenswood had hidden it, fearing that its power could corrupt those who sought it. They left the medallion in pieces to ensure the secret would only be uncovered by someone truly determined. A difficult choice. Clara was tempted to take the elixir but remembered the warning in the book. Instead, she decided to leave it hidden, taking only the book to share the story with the town. She resealed the hatch and returned to shore, her heart heavy but her mind resolved. The legacy of Clara. Clara shared the tale of the vault of eternity with the townsfolk, who marveled at her bravery and wisdom. The lake became a place of reverence, and Clara's story was passed down through generations as a reminder that someone's secret are best left undisturbed. The story of Clara ended here, but if you want to know more tales like this, please like, subscribe, and follow the channel. Thank you.